everybody, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, it's another episode of experimenting with colors, and this time I will be using the new Mavie Cosmetics Take Me to Paris palette. Here's what it looks like on the inside. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. So this is the look I created. If you want to see how I did that, then keep on watching. But before we get into this video, you already know what you gotta do. Click that subscribe button, hit that bell getting the notifications when I post new videos, and then twinkle your way on over and hit that like button, letting me know you're liking the stuff that I'm putting out. So without wasting any more time, let's get into this video. Alright, so we're gonna come at you with another episode of experimenting with color. So let me zoom you into me a little bit. There you go. So another episode of experimenting with colors, and we're going to be using the Mavie Cosmetics Take Me to Paris palette. Like I said, I own 3 of these Take Me to palettes. I own Take Me to Hong Kong, Take Me to Tokyo, and then Take Me to Paris. So we are going to get some looks going here. So I'm going to roll with my trusty BH Cosmetics brush. I'm going to go into this palette. So let's see. So you hear the colors on the inside. So pretty. I've already primed my eyes with my trusty Louise base. You know this stuff is the ish. So I'm going to go into the shade. I'm gonna go into Champs-Élysées right here and start my transition. Okay, so then got Champs-Élysées on my eye. I'm going to go in with my other BH Cosmetics brush. I'm going to go into the shade Liberty right here and deepen this up. Okay, I'm going to go back into that first color and kind of blend out these edges a little bit. And edit as I go along. Okay, so now I'm going to take my trusty e.l.f. blending brush, go back into Liberty right there, and go under the outer portion of my bottom lid. Okay, so now I'm going to go off camera, cut this crease. Be right back. Alright, so I primed my lid, so now we're going to go back into the palette. I'm going to take the shade One Way Ticket right here and put this on the outer portion of my lid. Okay, so I'm gonna clean that off of my. All right, we're gonna go into the shade Bisou Bisou right here. Put this on the inner portion of my lid. Okay, so now I'm going to take my trusty Morphe E36 brush, spray that. Now I'm going to go here into the shade Mint Macaron and put this on the bottom inner portion of my lid. Okay, so I'm going to clean that off. Spray it again. Now I'm going to go into the shade Bubbly Toast right here. Put that as my inner corner. Alright, so now go off camera, finish all this up, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the finalized look using the, what did I say? Where did I put it? The Mavie Cosmetics Take Me to Paris. Like, these colors inside here are absolutely beautiful. They are stunning. It's the look I created. If you like it, comment down below letting me know how you feel. And obviously, before we go, you already know what you got to do. Click that subscribe button, hit that bell getting the notifications when I post new videos, and click that like button letting me know you're liking the stuff that I'm putting out. And until next time guys, deuces.